In this video, we will show you how to clean the paper feed rollers in your PhotoFrost printer. During printing, the paper feed rollers will pick up ink as they roll through the dark colored areas. Then as they pass over lighter areas, they can deposit dark ink, leaving vertical track marks. Introducing the Magic Clean Track Eraser, our feed roller cleaning tool kit by PhotoFrost, patent pending. The kit includes our special cleaning wand, PhotoFrost non-toxic cleaner, and a sprayer cap. Spray the cleaner on the pad of the cleaning wand. Spray both top and bottom for upper and lower roller cleaning. Insert the blade above the silver lower roller bar. It should be below the top row of pinwheel rollers. Slide the blade in and out between the rows of rollers. Continue until you see the ink has been wiped away by the wand. Remove the wand to move it sideways to a new position. Avoid moving the blade sideways while inside the rollers. This can lead to damage to either the blade material or the rollers. When you print again on a PhotoFrost icing sheet, your photo should be clear of track marks. Now you're ready to apply your PhotoFrost editable photo onto your cake. Clean the wand blade under running water, do not bleach, and allow to air dry. This Magic Clean kit is available on our website, photofrost.com, or call us to order, 352-528-9292, United States Eastern Time.